I'm recording you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. It's definitely recording.
F. F, 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 F.
More like boo, 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 boo. Proceed.
Alrighty guys, PicasSolez here with another episode of a mystery box unopening. This one is going to be again from Solesteals, which is a company, a consignment shop in California. This mystery box, however, won't be the highest in price that we've gone, sadly, but hopefully it's tiny but mighty. This last week, Solesteals has been hyping up these mystery boxes for this upcoming drop that we have right here. Everyone was on it. I'd never seen them hype up boxes like this. They were posting stories up about the boxes. And I guess people got onto the hype and were like, I'm gonna try to cop two. I had a couple carded. I had like a couple $1,000 plus boxes carded, but they got jacked for me right at checkout. So I ended up having to stick with a $390 box. But let's hope it packs a punch here. I have it right here. As you can see, this is very tiny. Like, it literally looks like a shoebox, so I'm expecting hopefully a shoe that's hype enough to be $400 at least. Or maybe a couple items. There's some weight onto it though. It doesn't feel like a little 4-pound Nike box in there. It's pretty dense. It's probably like about 8 pounds. So, I don't know guys, let's get to opening this up. Oh, and if you watched the previous episodes, I have a little cutter. So, this is gonna be a painless process right here. If I could do it right. Oh, I can't do it right. I'm folded. Oh, I did it. Alright. First impressions. There are no shoes in here. Alright, I'm not too sure. This is supposed to be $400 worth of stuff here. Let's hope. First we got, I think it's another Yeezy shirt. It says Calabasas on the sleeves right here. I don't know if you can see that. It says Calabasas coming down. In a size large. It's a really bright yellow, lime-ish kind of color. And it seems unworn because I don't think they do use clothing in these boxes. But I don't know what the value of this is. So hopefully it's another surprise, like a good surprise. Next item here, we're gonna go for an anti-social social club shirt that got kind of do better. What is this? I'll just open it actually. Anti-social social club tee, black large. There it is. Traditional says it on the back. Classic shirt. Never got into anti-social social club because I've heard they have some internal problems that I'm not gonna really expose right now. If you know, you know. We have this Supreme shirt in a big Ziploc bag, and it says the Supreme Slayer tee, unworn with tags, fall winter 16. This is an old, well not old, but this is fairly 2-3 years ago. This shirt is pretty dope. I really fucks with this shirt. Let's see if I can zoom in. If not, you guys always know I'll post a picture up right here so you guys can see it. This is white, retailed at $44, fall winter 16, Slayer shirt. It has vampires on it, and they are eating somebody. So, alright guys, I don't know the value of any of this stuff so far, but we're gonna keep on chipping away here. What is this? What is this? Is this a Garçon's shirt? Oh no. What is this? I don't know what this is, guys. Right here. This is Levi's? Oh, the Levi's Supreme collab. In this nice long sleeve. If the feeling of this is very light and soft. Like, I could picture myself wearing this, except it kind of looks like a knockoff of a Garçon's kind of fit. Like, you know, Garçon's is like the polka dots, the blue and white, the black and white. This is really nice. I could actually see myself wearing this. Very soft. There's nothing that screams Levi's or Supreme at you. It's very subtle, which I kind of like. Alright, let's go to the next. We have a decent amount of items left in here, by the way, so this is a lot of stuff we have to move. Yeah, another dog shit tee. Another one.
Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one.
Dog shit tee, large red. It says, if you didn't, again, we got this in the last video, but I'll describe it again. If you're still pissed, throw dog shit on their windows or something. Thanks again, Supreme. Which is pretty classic. That shirt grew on me a little bit. I still think the embroidery and stuff, the vinyl is still very small compared to the shirt. I feel like they need to enlarge it. But in regards to like Supreme and their behaviors, like what they represent and how they're like kind of like rebellious, that tee really fits to their persona. Another one. Oh god, I never liked this tee, but here we go, guys. We got the navy large sheers tee. It's literally a Supreme sheers right on the middle of the shirt. Size large, unworn, tags included. Man, this shirt is dog shit. I really am not a fan of this shirt. So, I really don't even. This shirt probably goes for less than retail, to be honest, or at retail. I could be completely wrong and be completely surprised by it, but I still think that shirt is we have another bagged up. Ooh, I love this shirt. We have here a Liquid Swords tee in green, which I'll just open up and show you, and if not, if you can't see it, picture will be up here. Liquid Swords tee right here. Very classic shirt. I actually have this shirt in white, and it's my favorite shirt to this day to wear, only on special occasions. And this is it. And on the back, it says basic instructions before leaving Earth from GZA. You know, if you're into the hip hop culture, Wu-Tang, GZA, that shirt is pretty dope. That's probably my favorite shirt out of this box so far, but we got a couple more here. Let's see. We got the Still Life tee, I believe. That's what it's called. Supreme Still Life. It's very like fallish, you know, like I picture this shirt seems a lot like Halloween to me because it looks like pumpkins, I believe. I believe that's pumpkins. Or maybe a pumpkin or peaches. I don't know. But to me it looks very Halloween and I like pumpkins, so I'm just gonna say they're pumpkins. I don't really see much hype in this other than that the Liquid Swords tee. Maybe the Calabasas tee might be a sleeper because I really don't know anything about that. But here we go with the final item. Oh, an orange tee. This one is called the Buy Off the Bar tee. Look at this. This is from summer season 17. So a couple years ago. A couple guys at the bar says buy off the bar. Well, this shirt looks classic. I love the picture on it. So this shirt to me, I keep getting orange tees, I've noticed. Like every week there's something orange I get. And I feel like that's just a color that they don't really sell that well. And then it's it's my job to sell it now because I feel like, well, these shirts are actually my size, so I might have to, one of these might be for me. I have to decide which one. Guys, and that actually concludes this box here. So my reaction to this box, I really like this one. Put me for a spin because I really have no idea so far of how to value all this stuff. I really hope there's $400 worth of stuff here. Maybe, I can't see it. Maybe the Calabasas will put us, depending, like over, but from everything else minus that, I feel like we're gonna be barely scraping even here. But again, it's only a $390 box. There's not much I could have, like, they're not gonna give me $700 worth of profit, you know? So realistically, I'm not expecting much, but we'll get back to you right now and see how much this box is valued, and then we could rate it yay or nay. So guys, hit that like and comment if you think this box is worth over $400 right off the top without any research, because I'm not sure. You guys let me know. And if you guys want anything, you know, just comment below. I have an email attached. Maybe a website will be coming up soon of stuff I get. So guys, after some calculations of the box, it seems like we're gonna have a value of $50 to $100 more of what the box is priced. There's a couple things that aren't really selling or haven't sold in a couple years, so the market is hard to figure out. But it's gonna take some local consignment shop looking and asking around to see who wants to cop. But other than that, I would say it's a solid box. I'd say we did well for the price. So everyone, rate the box in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe. Giveaways will be coming up soon once we reach a certain amount of following. More will come of that shortly. And, you know, thank you for watching, guys. So far, we've been doing pretty well on these boxes. Let's keep it going. Still on the road to getting a $1,000 plus box. I'm not forgetting that. That is the goal. I haven't been able to do it. I've come so close, but it's about time it happened. Let's speak it into good luck. Leave a like for good luck. And PicasSolez out.